Hi, I'm Abby.
Hi, I'm Sammy.
This week for lunch we have shrimp for Monday, chicken nuggets for Tuesday, teriyaki chicken for Wednesday, spaghetti for Thursday, and finally garlic cheese bread for Friday.
Announcements for this week are Tuesday is Veterans Day. We will be having an assembly to appreciate our current and past soldiers. Dress nicely, and for the ones that do, they go to the gym after the assembly to take pictures for Christmas cards. Let's dress nicely to make a good impression. Don't forget to keep reading and take AR quizzes.
Hi, I'm Royce.
And I'm Chris.
The weather for this week. Monday will be partly cloudy, high of 60, low of 30.
Tuesday is going to be clear skies, 45 degree, high of 45 and a low of 27.
Wednesday will be another partly cloudy day with high of 43 and low of 30.
Thursday is going to be partly cloudy with high of 46 and a low of 30.
Friday will be even more partly cloudy with a high of 48 and low of 23.
And that's your weather for the week.
Hi, I'm Ethan, and this is Entertainment News, and I will be telling you about some new games that will be coming out soon. One of these games is Evolve, where you can be a monster and kill other people who are not monsters. Another game is Five Nights at Freddy's. It's a spooky horror game, and it costs only $5, so I recommend you get it. Another game is Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. This game looks neat because it might have jetpacks and exoskeleton suits. Another game is Halo 2 Anniversary, which is basically Halo 2 but with better graphics, and you can play multiplayer on it.
Hi, my name's Canyon. This was the Waller News for this week. Thank you.